Welcome back to another unboxing from Shaving Down Under. And this looks like a sling twist. Looks to be in very nice condition as well. Opens up. We could say this has never been used. It's quite clean. I haven't shaved with one of these yet, but I will do. It may even be this one that I shave with. And some. I doubt this is how this. These blades would have been packaged. Someone sealed them, I'd say. But you never know. So I've never seen this packaging before. But it is Gillette. Made in USA. So, I couldn't help myself. I was going crazy. Silver Star. Let's have a look. Dispenser. Come on. Oh, that just tore it. Oh well. Life goes on. Ooh. Very nice. I always like these dispensers, these vintage dispensers, for some reason. Just something about them. I don't know what these blades are made of. Iridium process. Whoops. Actually can't see any blades in there. I wonder if this is used. Oh no, that looks like the blades there. Cool. Very nice. You in backwards. Don't know how that worked, but I believe that would have gone there. And I've got. I'm making. Oh, it's a display stand. Oh God, it's falling out everywhere. It looks like that would have opened up like that. Save 49 cents. Oh, I see. Let's put you back down there. So it looks like this slips underneath there. Holds it in place. And you would have gone in there. So there you have it. Very cool. Okay, what's next? Oh, well, for some reason there was a slim in that. No idea why. Or why I would have bought a slim. Unless I got it dirt cheap. All seems to work. But it was inside this. And I'm wondering if this has been damaged. So as you can see there, Let me take this. Right. I reckon this has been damaged. There was a lid on this. Gillette safety razor, triple silver plated. And I reckon the top of it's been damaged. Damn it. Damn it. Rightio. No idea. Sorry. Okay, so maybe not Gillette. Just move that rubbish to one side. Apollo. Get rid of these peanuts. So this is in amazing condition. This is a slant razor. It's the first slant I've bought. I've never shaved with one, never owned one. This is in beautiful condition. Silver plated, I reckon, but I could be wrong. Lovely. Nice little addition. And tuxedo blades, I'll just leave them wrapped up. Okay, thanks for sticking around. See you in the next video.